Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Well, today we're gonna show you how you can make some jerk wings at home. But first thing we will need to do is to get it marinated first in the jerk sauce, in the jerk season. Put on some flavor, some spring onion, natural stuff. Right here I have a couple pieces of wings. I get it washed off. I didn't remove the skin off of these wings because, you know what I mean, when I went to the meat shop, the guy didn't want to move them, so I said, oh, that's fine. But I normally move the skin from the meat, so this time I didn't move mine, this time I just allow it. But anyway, we're gonna show you how you can make yourself some nice, lovely jerk wings. First thing, that's the wing right there. What we're going to do now is put on half teaspoon of chicken seasoning. That's it so far with that one. That's the chicken season. Then a little bit of pepper, coarse pepper. One teaspoon of mixed herbs. Once you go to a shop and you ask for mixed herb, they will give you exactly what you're looking for, alright? Then next we got the Jamaican jerk season. This one already made. I just brought it from the store and I have it and I want to use it up, so I'm going to use this one. You can use your favorite jerk season where you like to use for your chicken at home, or for your beef, or for your lamb, or for your pork. But this, which one I'm using, I'm not going to show the label, but this is the one I'm using, so you can use your favorite one. Alright? Basically, I'm just going to put half teaspoon because it is already really spicy. Half teaspoon, not a lot, to be honest. I do like my spicy food, but not all the time I eat it. Yeah? Then next I should put a little pinch of vegetable oil or olive oil, not too much. The next thing, I got some fresh thyme. White onion. Just a piece of a white onion. Three cloves of garlic. I love garlic. I always cooking with garlic. And then 2 spring onion. And that's a spring onion right there. Nice one. Then next, put on the gloves and rub it up like this. Really nice. Everything that's natural season. Got a lot of natural season on it. Then after you do all of those on it just like that, what you need to do is wrap it and put it in the fridge and leave that for 24 hours for it to get soaked. Alright guys, so enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel, and that's the best jerk chicken wing you could ever have at home. Look for part 2 how I'm going to cook it. Alright, enjoy the recipe guys. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye bye.